Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can hide your location in your Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to hide your location in any of the Bereals you posted, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app itself. So once you open your Bereal app, you'll end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the circle icon to click the picture. So once you have clicked the Bereal you want to post, all you need to do now is simply tap on the navigation option on screen right above the send option. There you can see the location settings, which is location off, approximate location and precise location. So simply choose the location off option and this will help you to hide your location on your Bereal that you have just posted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.